Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce lag and FPS on mobile driver. It's a very simple method. Open your computer and press Windows plus R and then write PREFTCH. Press continue and then delete all the files from here. Selecting. Okay, now once you've done it, then empty the recycle bin as well. Now, in the task manager, see if any of the app or anything is using more CPU or memory. So you can see my memory has been mostly used by Chrome, so if you are using the game, you should end the application and play the game. Now, open with the security. Okay, now then download the. Now enter to the game. So once you enter the game, go to the settings and display settings and do what I am doing. Simply do what I am doing. So it will help you to reduce the FPS and lag. Okay, here is optimize.
Thank you for watching the video. This was the video. Please subscribe to our channel.